So it's very unfortunate and sad day for me because I was not trying to do something as of today, but that happened accidentally. So this is the durability test for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now the phone is already cracked. Then what sort of durability test is that? Let me show you what happened. Actually, I'm just going to take you just few hours before that. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, one of the costliest Android phone you can get right now. One of the drawback of this phone is obviously the material choices they are using. They are using the glass back panel, but definitely it is not something you can use without cases, without protection. If you use your phone without protection, this is something can happen. Either you can have a shattered glass. If you're using a phone with a Gorilla Glass on it, still it can crack, it happens. Now we broke those phones intentionally just to show you guys the durability of that phone, and I'll be showing you very soon for the Galaxy Note 9 too. And I'll be showing you very soon for the Galaxy Note 9 too. And I'll be showing you very soon for the Galaxy Note 9 too. But for time being, I'm going to show you some of the good number of cases that you can use on your device. These are the cases, and this is the part 1, not this remote. So this is the part 1, and in future I'll be showing you part 2 because these phones need a lot of protection. I'm going to show you some couple of drops, maybe from 5 to 6 feet height. I'm going to show you some couple of drops, maybe from 5 to 6 feet height. I'm going to show you some couple of drops, maybe from 5 to 6 feet height. Let's see if the phone survives or not. So guys, there you have it. These are some of the best cases in I don't know what to say about that case. This is really like I'm holding some walkie-talkie. So let's do a couple of drop tests with those cases. I'm just keeping this one big armor cases because really it is tough to apply again. I'm just going to show you with the Spigen one and one with the unicorn cases. So I'm just going to pick one from this company and one pick from this company. So we have already seen the drop tests earlier from so many companies like the Rinke and all the stuff. First, let's try out this Spigen regular armor cases. I'm sure it should protect the phone. So here is the case. So this is Samsung Galaxy Note 9, perfectly working. First, I'm going to drop facing the rear side about checking the impact. Here we go. So 3, 2, 1. There should not be any problem because these are drop proof cases, so it's good. Now I'm just going to drop this time from the facing screen side. Let's see for any possible damage. So this is the usual situations. You may be talking and slipped off your phone. 3, 2, 1. So that makes a huge noise actually, but still the device is perfectly working. So speaking case, if you use any of them, they all are MIL 8NG certified, so they should work. So let's try out some different brand, and actually I have never tried this brand, but still I'm just going to give a try. Let's see about that. Is it going to make our phone safe or not? So I hope it should make your phone safe. Anyway guys, let's try out from the rear side. 3, 2, 1. Sounds good, no problem, everything works fine. Let's try out from the facing screen side. See the device is fine or not. 3, 2, 1. So oh man, the screen is cracked, you can see. So we have seen a crack on the screen. So the screen is completely cracked. It's still working, but we can see there is a crack on the screen. So this case, even though they say it is a MIL 8NG certified, but I guess this is a false claim. You can see there's a crack on the screen, so the screen completely got cracked. How about the back side? So that is okay, there is no problem, back side is fine, but front side is just cracked. So that's your complete failure case. So do not try this case. It's better we have done the drop test just to figure that out. So that was the whole plot. I was working on some other video. I planned to do that video maybe after just 2 days because I have some other case in the shipment. So I thought to wait for 2 days, then I will show you with that. So this is Samsung Galaxy Note 9 that got cracked just from 4 feet of height, having a drop proof case on it. Now I'm not sure whether this case has a fake certification on it or not. So they claim to be MIL 8NG certified. I don't know whom to blame actually, the Samsung or the case maker. Now why I can say that this is a blame of Samsung, because this phone is too heavy. Remember a few days back I did have shown you the drop test for the Samsung Galaxy On 6 or J6. That was a budget phone, just 14,000 rupees Indian currency, and this phone, that phone had a Gorilla Glass 3 that phone survived miraculously a lot of times. We did the brutal drop test, pen test, everything we did that was perfect. That phone just survived, but it just died on the waterproof test because obviously that phone was not waterproof. But the Samsung Galaxy on 6 survived. What happened to Note 9? Because that is just super heavy compared to that phone. That is why this happened. So what else need to test? Already I have shown you the freeze test. That means this phone is working perfectly under the freezing condition too. It was getting cellular reception, Wi-Fi network. I was getting notifications at all things were cool. Now front of the screen got cracked with a case on it too, which claimed to be a drop proof. So without case, definitely 200% guarantee this phone was going to die. Now we need to check the back portion also, because since the back portion is having Gorilla Glass 5 and the front is already cracked, so I'm just first going to test the back portion. As of now, the display is working. I can see there are this glass is coming out, but the display, the touch is working. Alright guys, time to do the further drop test for the Galaxy Note 9. Already this is broken. I hope you can see it clearly. This is completely broken. This was the impact position. Backside is still intact, like we said and promised. We need to check the backside durability also. I'm 100% confident this thing is going to break. So as usual, I'm just going to drop from the facing rear side first. Let's see if you casually dropped it. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. See, this is the glass portion that came out. So I'm sure this is completely cracked. Not cracked. So something else came apart. So wow, this is fine. The back portion is still okay from the 3 feet height. So let's increase the height, and already this front portion is cracked, so no need to drop it again. Still I'm just going to drop from the front side again, 3 feet height. Let's see what happened further, because display is still working. We need to check if the display stopped working or not. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. It bounced back, but still it is working. It is in crack condition and it is working super great. So let's increase the height up to 5 to 6 feet height, because that is, I guess, 90% or maybe more than that people will be dropping your phone from the usual height between 5 to 6 feet on an average. So we are going to check the rear side glass, dropping it from the 5 feet height. 3, 2, 1. So the camera glass is cracked, but the body is completely intact. The camera glass, we can see there is already crack on the camera lens. I don't know why this thing is completely safe, but this one just cracked. So alright, let's peel off this protector. Maybe this is just taking the impact, so that the camera glass is cracked. Let's drop facing the front side and see if it is survived or not. So I'm dropping it from the 5 to 6 feet height. 3, 2, 1. That is the major one. I'm sure something more comes up. So yeah, the spiral webs actually they spreads up, and on the corner side, I guess this was the point of impact, and there is a major glass cracked here. But the backside is still intact except the camera lens, which is broken. So guys, that's your Samsung Galaxy Note 9 drop test, and be sure to use some good branded cases, because we saw with the, I don't know about that company. It's the first time I tried that company, even though it was MI10 certified, but it just cracked. So try to use some good cases like the one I've shown you from the Spigen, or maybe in the future I will show you with the Ricky. Those two are the best cases that I'm using from last couple of years, dropping a lot of time. So that's the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 cracked. You're gonna have to go for repair kind of stuff, and you have to make your phone working again. So there it is guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the Galaxy Note 9 if it's not yet cracked.